हेलो एवरीवन। सो फाइनली आरबीआई ग्रेड बी फेज 1 एडमिट कार्ड इज आउट एंड आई नो ये न्यूज़ सुनकर काफ़ी लोगों की एंजाइटी बढ़ चुकी होगी विच इज़ प्रीटी मच नॉर्मल। एंड इन दिस वीडियो वी आर गोइंग टू सी दैट वंस यू हैव डाउनलोडेड योर एडमिट कार्ड व्हाट आर द थिंग्स दैट यू मस्ट चेक, राइट? एंड बिफोर वी डिस्कस दैट, जस्ट अ small piece of information. If you're preparing for RBI Grade B examination and if you're looking for a single document where you can find subject-wise syllabus, solve PYQs with answer key, subject-wise sources, and a comprehensive strategy, what you can do, you can go to the description box, click over the link, and you can download this free of cost ebook from there. It is going to be helpful, right? Now coming back to admit card, so first of all you have to go to RBI recruitment portal and the link has been shared in the description box. So you just have to click over the link and the portal is going to be open for you, and you can basically put your login credentials like roll number, registration number, and your password. And after that you have to download your admit card, right? Now my humble request is that please do not wait for the last moment. Download your admit card in a timely manner. लास्ट मोमेंट में बहुत बार सर्वर इश्यूज हो जाते हैं वेबसाइट पर एंड एडमिट कार्ड डाउनलोड करने में थोड़ी प्रॉब्लम होती है, तो इससे अच्छा यही है कि प्लीज डाउनलोड इट एज सुन एज पॉसिबल. नाउ वंस यू हैव डाउनलोडेड योर एडमिट कार्ड, आफ्टर दैट प्लीज चेक दीज 5 थिंग्स इमीडिएटली. चेक योर नेम, वेरीफाइड कि यार सारी चीज़ें जो स्पेलिंग है सब कुछ सही लिखा है या नहीं. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट, सी द रिपोर्टिंग टाइम ऑल्सो, then the exam center and the photo signature details, and please read the instructions carefully. जो आपके एडमिट कार्ड की बैक साइड पे जितनी भी इंस्ट्रक्शंस दी होती है, आराम से बैठो 10 मिनट और वो सारे पॉइंट्स को पढ़ो. कई बार ऐसा होता है कि जो चीज़ें अलाउड नहीं है एग्जाम में ले जाना हम वो भी ले जाते हैं, तो अननेसेसरली इट वेस्ट टाइम. सो मेक श्योर दैट यू आर रीडिंग ऑल द इंस्ट्रक्शंस प्रॉपरली and you're downloading your admit card in a timely manner. So I wish you all the best for your examination. This is the day that you have been waiting for, and just give your best. Don't overthink and stay calm, right? Now before I end the video, those of you who are preparing for RBI Grade B examination, if you want to see how EduTap can help you as a part of your preparation, you can just go to a website which is edutap.in. Then you can go to the courses section which is RBI Grade B courses, and you can see that we have launched this course Ramban recently, through where you can basically prepare the current affairs with the help of MCQs. Then we have this test series also. Then we have the phase 2 live crash course. Then we have the phase 1 plus phase 2 live crash course, right? Different courses are there, gold and the silver course. I would if you want to go for these courses, you can just go to a website and you can check out the details, right? So that is it from my end, and thank you so much and all the best.